So welcome to today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from maths class only. So you'll have to multiply this. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Then you'll have to add this number. Five plus 1 will give you 6. 165 will be answer. Okay. Next is 2 7s are 14 you'll have to do. Okay. Add these two numbers. 1 plus 4 will give you 1 plus 4 will give you 5. Okay. Same way you'll have to add these numbers. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Add these two numbers and see what answer you will get. So 1 plus 2 will be 3, right? Next, so 5 2s are, your answer will be 10. So write down 10. So answer will be 10. So then you all have to add 1 plus 0 and see what answer you all are going to get. So your answer will be 110. So I hope you have understood how to do this, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, comment below.